Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, guys, got another product review for you, stroke product test. Got to send a shout out to the guys at Shine Armor who have sent me down this in the form of their graphene ceramic spray. Now let me just reel off a couple of things to you if you're not too sure what this ceramic spray is all about, because I'm not a detailer. But anyway, here's what they claim anyway. So Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray is a highly concentrated, simple to use DIY ceramic coating that is ready to go out of the box or the bottle. It is perfect on its own or as an added layer of protection for your current ceramic coating. So if you've got ceramic coating on there already, you can spray this on top, or if you haven't, you can use this as like your first layer. This graphene ceramic spray has extremely powerful homophobe cut. This graphene I see I'm throwing me off now. This graphene ceramic spray has extremely powerful hydrophobic properties that deeply enhances your shine with an easy spray and play process that you've come to expect from Shine Armor. Okay then, it helps defend against water spotting, works to protect against bugs, saps, drop-ins, I suppose I mean bird shit really, isn't it? Okay. Right, less prone to scratches during the washing process, and gives more depth and clarity on your surfaces, and it's easy to apply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pitch this one against a normal off-the-shelf product that we have here in the UK. I do believe Shine Armor also have a UK branch as well, guys. So, and you will be getting 20% discount off any products that you buy from Shine Armor. There will be a link down in the description. But I'm going to put it against this Sonax ceramic spray coating. It goes on in a similar fashion. You just spray it onto a microfiber cloth, wipe it onto your surface, and then wipe it back off, from what I can gather from the instructions. So yeah, that'll make sense anyway when we go out. Gonna be testing it on the missus's car because my car's wrapped, so I don't know if these are any good to be using on wraps. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna have the bonnet is gonna be split 50-50. So one half is gonna be done in the Shine Armor stuff, and the other half is gonna be done in the Sonax stuff, and we'll see who comes out on top. So I will give an honest review, guys, and I gotta say shout out to Chris at the Sonax Detailing Academy located in Bristol. Links for them will be down in the description as well, who said he would gladly put this one up against the Shine Armor one, so we see who comes out on top. Anyway, that's enough of me waffling. Let's go and wash the car, get it ready, get it prepped for this lot to go on, and yeah. So guys, with both products, it's just simply a case of spraying it onto a microfiber cloth, wiping it into the bonnet or the car in general, and then just giving it 1 or 2 minutes to settle on. Then you wipe it off with another microfiber cloth, and then we will see the results. It says on the Shine Armor one, we have to leave it for at least 4 hours to cure before exposing it to the elements, where it doesn't say that with the Sonax one. So yeah, anyway, let's get spraying and let's get playing. Got a little bit of spray on there, and let's play. So that seemed to go all right, guys. I needed a couple of squirts just to do that little bit of the bonnet. So let's see how the Sonax one does. So it's the same process with the Sonax one. You just give it a good shake. Ooh, this one definitely seems a lot thicker. Can you see that? Okay, all right. So guys, out of the two, I don't know if you can see this on the cloths, but the Sonax one is definitely a lot thicker than the Shine Armor one. So anyway, we'll give them a couple of minutes to cure, and then we'll wipe them off with a clean, it has to be a clean microfiber cloth as well, yeah? And make sure it's a clean cloth when you put it on.
A few moments later.
So, I don't know if we can see this, I'll grab the camera, but No, I don't think we're going to see this in the light. But the Sonax one has left quite a bit of residue on there. I suppose that's because it's thicker. There's not so much residue left from the shine on. Anyway, let's buff it off and let's see what happens. Alright people, so that is it all buffed off now, and I've got to say, like the Sonax one went on, seemed to be thicker, hasn't left no residue marks or anything like that, just seemed to be thicker going on, whereas the Shine Armor ones did seem to be thinner going on. But if you look at the cloths, I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, that's the Shine Armor one, there seems to be quite a lot of residue that's come back off, whereas the Sonax one, there's not as much residue that's come back off. So I don't know what to make of that. So anyway guys, all we can do now is give these a little time to cure, and then we'll come back, and I suppose we can do a beading test on it, just see how the water beads on each side, and maybe a bird will come over and shit on it. Let's see if the bird shit just runs off, I don't know, but we'll see. So anyway guys, I'll catch you in a little while when we're going to do some beading tests, and then that'll be it. Yeah man, cool. Okay, so a few hours have passed guys, and before we run out of light, just want to do a little beading test if possible, and we'll see how these two products did come out. Remember, left hand side was the Shine Armor ceramic spray, right hand side was the Sonax spray. So anyway, let's get a little bit of beading going on, let's see how good these things work. I don't know where that's picking it up guys, but that water is just, see, basically just running away, and that's on the Shine Armor side. That's what it's like on the, yeah, you see how that just disappears guys. Okay, well it seems to be going away a lot easier on the Shine Armor, on the Sonax side. Let's do the Shine Armor one again. Yeah, there is still, it is repelling that water on the Shine Armor side as well. Okay. See, that just beads straight off of there. Beads straight off of there as well. Just to give you a lot of summary of how I thought the two products worked against each other. I gotta say, the Shine Armor ceramic spray, it seemed to go on quite thinly at first, and then when I took it off, it seemed to be a lot coming off on the microfiber cloth. Obviously I used one cloth to put it on and another cloth to take it off. Whereas with the Sonax one now, it seemed to go on really thick. When it was actually on the bonnet, and then when I took it off with a clean cloth, it didn't seem to be a lot of residue on the cloth, but they both worked their way into the bonnet quite well. As far as the beading goes, as you saw, I got to say I think the Sonax one actually repelled more water. If we're going to give it out 100%, I would say it done 85% of the water, repelled it straight away, as you lot saw in the video, whereas with the Shine Armor one, I think it's about 80%. You can get 20% discount on the Shine Armor products. I will leave a link in the description. You should just hit that link and you get 20% off when you buy their graphene ceramic spray, and I think other products as well, you get a 20% discount off using my code. So on that note guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're feeling really generous, maybe hit the subscribe button. You lot know the score already, so I want you lot to travel safe and peace out.